Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. Please give this video more watch time, subscribe, like, comment, and you can also turn on your notification bell to get notified to see my new tutorials whenever I upload new tutorials on my channel. On today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys how I made this short Cowl Bubu dress style. So if you're interested to know how to make this kind of style, please keep on watching this video to the end so that you can see the fitness of the style that we are making today, because I'm going to wear it out for you guys to see how beautiful the dress came out. So let's dive in on today's tutorial now, guys. My fabric is 2 yard and is Duchess material, and I'm going to cut the front piece and the back piece together. So what I will do now, I will spread my fabric into 4 pieces because I'm cutting the 2 pieces together, that is the front and the back piece. So guys, keep on watching so that you can see the outcome of this style that I'm making today. It's actually a short Cowl Bubu dress style that I'm making today. So I'm going to also wear it out for you guys to see the fitness of the dress that I'm making today, guys. So please keep on watching. So I folded it into 4 pieces. So I'm going to start right away with my width, which is 18 inch. Okay, so it's by 18 inch my width. Okay, I will mark my neckline by 3 inch, and it's also going to have V shape in front. So the depth of my neck, I'm going to mark 6.5 inch. Then I will give my V shape in front. Now I will bring down the back neckline by 2 inch. Alright. Then I will just give a curl for the back neckline. My length of my dress is 41 inch. So I'm just marking the length now, which is 41 inch. I will mark my shoulder by sloping it by 1 inch and draw a line. Okay. I'm going to mark my half length, which is 28 inch, where I'm going to shape it. Okay, so that's the half length and it's 28 inch, guys. So that's where I'm going to shape it. Okay, and that's the length. Please guys, give this video more watch time. Okay, you can also turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified to see my new tutorials. Alright, so this is how I'm going to curve it. Okay, so on my half length, I will shape it by 9 inch. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. I'm sorry my camera is not showing that part, so let me just shift it a bit so that you can see it. Okay, alright, I'm actually curving it to my half length. Okay, so that's where I'm going to shape it, and I'm going to shape it by 9 inch. Alright, so guys, please keep on watching to see the outcome of this style that I'm making today. It's a very simple style. Alright, as you can see it on the video, I will then take it to my hemline. Alright, so before cutting, so now I'm going to cut. Alright, so you can see the way I'm taking my ruler to roll it down to my hemline. Okay, so after that I'm going to cut it. It's a very simple style. So after cutting it, I'll take it to my machine, I'll run a stitch on it, and the dress will be ready. It's very simple to cut and sew on your own. So before then, I'm going to cut the back neckline first. Okay, before running the stitch on it. So I'm cutting the fabric now. So I'm starting from the hem line. Okay, so guys, you can also check my other tutorials that I have on my channel, so you can also watch them. And if you don't understand this particular tutorial, so please you can watch it again and again so that you can able to understand it and cut it on your own. And that's the essence of making this particular tutorial. I really want you guys to try it after watching my tutorials. Okay, so this is the back neckline that I'm going to cut first. Okay, before I'll pull it out. After cutting it, I'm going to pull it out and cut the front neckline that has V shape on it. So I'm still cutting. Alright, so now this is the time for me to cut my front neckline, like I said before. So it has V shape in front, so I'll just pull out the back neckline, and now I want to cut the front neckline. This is how to go about it when cutting your own. Let me shift it a bit so that you can see it very well. As you can see on the video, you can see the V shape already on it. So this is how to cut the neckline out for the front neckline. It has V shape on it. It's a beautiful style. So after that, I'll run a stitch on it and my dress will be ready. I'm going to wear it out for you guys to see now. So this is the outcome of our dress. Very lovely and beautiful. I hope you understood today's teaching. If you don't, please watch it again and again. You will surely get it, guys. That's what I want to hear. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video more watch time. Subscribe, like, and comment. And remember, I love you all. I'll see you in my next one. So guys, you can also watch my other tutorial that I have on my channel to support my channel to grow. Please, you can do that now. Alright.